Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through how to use Perplexity AI Deep Research to write full reports. First, head over to Perplexity AI and enable the Deep Research feature. This mode generates more in-depth, well-structured answers compared to normal queries. Start with a clear and specific prompt type. Write a detailed report on digital marketing trends with data and examples. The more specific your prompt, the better your results will be. Once you hit enter, Perplexity will begin researching across multiple sources. It builds a structured response with sections, insights, and references. After the report is generated, review it. You'll see headings, key points, and cited sources, making it easy to understand and verify the information. Refine the report by using prompts like expand the introduction, add case studies, or summarize this into bullet points. You can keep improving the content step by step. Ask follow-up questions. Turn this into a professional PDF-style report or rewrite this for a business presentation. Finally, copy the content into tools like Google Docs or Word to format it properly. Add headings, images, and branding if needed. Thank you for watching. Quick tweak.